Good morning, guys. Little potato harvest. I think this is a Maris Piper or a King Edward. I think it might be a King Edward, this one. So I'm going to get this up. We're going to a barbecue. Yeah, these are King Edwards.
Oh, look at them.
Beauties. No scabs. Well, there is a few on that one. Get the rest. Ground so hard. Can't even get the fork in. Look at this, how hard the ground is here. King Edwards. Look at that, man. That's what I'm digging with. Can't see anyone there. We'll try and get this Maris Piper. This is Maris Pipers, tons of them. One plant. You eat. Plant. Still pulling them out. So there you go, guys. Nice little harvest. A couple of little holes in that one. But if you like watching potato reveals, you know what to do. Subscribe.